going on YouTube? It's your boy Rock. Just want to do a quick video. I decided to go ahead and get this ultra-wide monitor from Best Buy. It is the LG ultra-wide 35WN75C. Looks like it has HDR, USB Type-C. I think it's the only 35-inch on Best Buy that you can buy currently. Let's do an unboxing. Looks like the part of the power brick. I don't know if you guys see that power brick in there. Looks like an HDMI cable in there. The USB HDMI cable. This looks like the base, the actual stand for this stand, base for the stand. Here is the stand. There you go. And here is the actual screen. Packed it pretty good. Here's the screen, guys. 35 inches. The screen. This is going to be for my work from home setup. Hopefully doing more videos in the future. And try to upgrade my setup this year, but slowly but surely it's coming along. Okay, so I have the LG ultra-wide monitor set up. This is the LG 35WN75C. Got it from Best Buy for $599.99. The refresh on this bad boy is 100 Hertz. This is going to be primarily a work from home setup that I am currently getting started. So I just needed something that's ultra wide. I didn't want to have two monitors. The panel type is a VA panel. It's not IPS, so it's going to be a VA panel. It does have an adjustable height stand, so it can go up and down. It has two HDMI ports, one display port, one Thunderbolt port, one USB 3.0 Type-C port. The response time is going to be 5 milliseconds, so that's going to be somewhat good for gaming. And also it has HDR10. This is the LG 35WN75C curved ultra wide at 35 inches. So this is going to be my productivity monitor slash sometimes I might game on it, but I have an LG CX OLED for that 65 inch, so I don't really need to game on this unless I want to have an ultra wide experience. This is going to be primarily for productivity, but so far so good, guys. I mean, I'm going to tinker with it some more, but this was mainly just an unboxing and just showing you guys the setup and what it looks like. The colors look pretty good, dead on. They look really good. Let's take a look on the side. As you go to the side, let's see what it looks like. So it's not too bad as far as washing out or anything like that. But hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe and game on.